I'm being sad.
Then be sad! Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic!
Ha?
What?
Ang lulutuin ko yung beef, ground beef and egg para protein lang tayo. Para mag-build yung muscle mo. Okay. Ano to?
Schedule for playing in 11 a.m. wake up. I'm gonna wake up. 11:30 do essentials. 12 meet and eat lunch.
12:30 hindi ka makakadance kasi busog. Yan palang mali na. Go na, maligaw ka na. Napaka-dirty mo. Huwag ka sa bed. Huwag ka sa bed. Napaka-dirty mo.
And 1 to 2 play in rain.
May schedule ka pa dyan. Maligo ka muna.
Don't you believe in it?
Why would I believe? Gumagawa ka na ng schedule mo. Nasaan yung banding sa brother mo? Nasaan yung banding sa parents mo? Or play family time? Ano, puro friends lang?
Daddy.
Paano na pag nag-13 ka pa?
Daddy. I'm growing up.
Oh. So pag growing up, hindi na kami included?
You don't get it. Like I grew up. I still love y'all, but like I spend more time with my friends.
Oh, nasan kami sa pagtanda mo?
Daddy, of course you guys are beside me, but I'm getting older.
Hindi mo na kami mahal.
I love y'all. Can you stop thinking that?
Hindi mo na kami mahal.
I love y'all. Can you stop thinking that? Because I'm still growing up.
I'm being sad.
Then be sad. Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic. Then take a bath.
Wala na siyang time sa atin po. Promise sa pagkagising niya. Ano, naglalaro ng bumag kumag.
Okay na kasi nag-iPad. Ano ko ba sa pagbigyan mo nakakaburakay lang natin? Ikaw dramatic ka nga naman.